Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're tackling a hot topic, pun intended. We're diving into the question, does drinking hot water really boost your metabolism? It's a claim that's been making waves, but is there any truth to it? Let's find out. We all know that metabolism is crucial. It's the process by which our bodies convert what we eat and drink into energy. But the idea that something as simple as hot water could significantly boost your metabolism, well, that's worth exploring. You've probably heard the claim that drinking hot water can kickstart your metabolism and help with weight loss. Maybe you've even tried it yourself. But where does this belief come from? And more importantly, is it backed by science? Let's dig into the origins of this idea and see what the research actually says. The myth has been circulating for a while now, fueled by social media and even some wellness blogs. The thought is that because hot water can increase your heart rate and circulation, it might also rev up your metabolism. But let's break down what's really happening. Hot water does elevate your body's temperature slightly, leading to temporary increases in circulation and heart rate, but these effects are short-lived and minimal. When you drink hot water, your body does experience a slight increase in temperature. This can lead to a temporary increase in circulation and even a minor bump in heart rate. But here's the kicker. The actual impact on your metabolic rate is minimal. Studies suggest that drinking hot water might increase energy expenditure by only about 1-2 calories per minute. To put that into perspective, a brisk 30-minute walk can burn around 150 calories. So, while hot water does have its perks, it's not a magic bullet for metabolism. Now, let's talk hydration. One common myth is that hot water is absorbed more easily by the body than cold water. The truth: your body absorbs water at the same rate, regardless of temperature. Whether it's a cold glass of water or a steaming cup, the hydration benefits are essentially the same. That said, there are benefits to drinking hot water. It can aid digestion, soothe your throat, and even help you feel fuller, which might prevent overeating. But when it comes to significantly boosting your metabolism, the effects are pretty negligible compared to other factors like your diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. So what's the takeaway here? While drinking hot water can be part of a healthy routine, especially if it helps you stay hydrated or replace sugary drinks, it shouldn't be relied on as your primary strategy for boosting metabolism. The real game changers for metabolism are regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and managing stress. If you focus on those, you're much more likely to see significant and lasting results. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Getting Sexy Back. I hope this helped clear up the facts about hot water and metabolism. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried this hot water hack? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into health and wellness, and check out our other episodes for more myth-busting goodness. Until next time, stay sexy.